Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting system of equation problem which will be solving for the real values of x, y and z. So let's get started by writing. This is our equation 1. Here we will write equation 2 and this equation we will consider equation 3. Now we can use one algebraic identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This is equal to x plus y plus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx plus 3 times x, y, z. Now we can apply x, y, z equal to 2 in this equation and we can apply x plus y plus z equal to 0. So once we will put 0 here, first term would be 0 and here we are going to write 2. So I can write RHS would be 0 plus 3 times 2 which will be equal to 0 plus 6 which is equal to 6. So I can write our equation 4 x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 6. Equation number 4 which we are going to apply here in equation 2. So we can calculate x square plus y square plus z square from there. Let's calculate. I will write here our equation 2. So I can write x square plus y square plus z square over x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 1. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube as per our equation 4 value is 6. So we can write x square plus y square plus z square over 6 equal to 1. Now we'll multiply both sides by 6. So let's multiply 6 times and this side also we'll multiply by 6. In LHS 6 and 6 will be over. We will get to know x square plus y square plus z square equal to 6. Let's say this is our equation number 5. Now I will use another algebraic formula which is a plus b plus c whole square. So let me write here in terms of our variables x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now we have to plug in values of x square plus y square plus z square as per equation 5 value is 6. In LHS this is our equation 1 value is 0 plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now we'll subtract 6 from both the sides. 0 square is 0. So I can write minus 6 equal to 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now we'll divide our equation by 2 both sides to get the value of xy plus yz plus zx. So value will become minus 3. Let me write here xy plus yz plus zx value is equal to minus 3. Let's say this is our equation number 6. Now I will write 3 equations. Equation P, equation Q and equation R. Equation P is our first equation x plus y plus z equal to 0. Equation Q would be xy plus yz plus zx. Equation number 6. Sum of roots taken 2 at a time minus 3. And equation R would be our equation 3, x, y, z equal to 2. Now from these three equations, we can think about one cubic equation in T whose roots are x, y and z. Then we can write equation T cube minus x plus y plus z times T square plus xy plus yz plus zx times T minus product of roots x, y, z equal to 0. Now we have to plug in all the three values of equations P, Q and R. So here we are going to put 0. Here we are going to put minus 3. And here we are going to put 2. So I can get cubic in T, T cube minus 3T minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this cubic equation for the values of x, y and z. Let's solve. So I will write T cube minus 3T minus 2 equal to 0. I will use synthetic division method and rational root theorem. So I need to know the eligible factors of constant 2, which I will write plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Leading coefficient is 1, so we can write here eligible factors as plus minus 1. Now we have to consider the ratio of constant to leading coefficient. So in this series, if I will put t equal to 1, will it satisfy to our equation? Let's check. 1 minus 3 minus 2. No, it is not equal to 0. Let us check at t equal to negative 1. So I can write minus 1. Minus 3 times minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. Yes, minus 3 and plus 3. So this time it is satisfying our equation. We will say t equal to negative 1 is our base solution. Now we can go for synthetic division method. In this method, we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of t cube is 1. Coefficient of t square is missing. We will write 0. Coefficient of t is minus 3. Constant is minus 2. We'll put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient. So minus 1 times 1 minus 1. We'll add these two numbers and write here minus 1. Again we will multiply our base solution minus 1 with this sum minus 1. Product will be plus 1. We'll write here. Again we have to add these two numbers and write minus 2 over here. We'll multiply minus 1 with minus 2. Product will be 2. Once we will add minus 2 with 2, we'll get 0. So these are our coefficients for quadratic equation. Let me write here t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. One root is confirmed, which is our base solution, t equal to negative 1. Let's solve this quadratic for remaining two roots. So we will write t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can use quadratic formula. We can write the value of a, b and c. A is coefficient of t square, value is 1. B is coefficient of t, value is negative 1. C is constant, we will write minus 2. Let us use quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Let's apply all the values. Minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus minus is square root of minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 over 2 times 1. So I can write 2. Value will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8. We can write 9 over 2. Now we know that square root of 9 is 3. So we'll be writing 1 plus minus 3 over 2. So I can write two values of t, 1 plus 3 over 2 and other value 1 minus 3 over 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4 over 2 is 2 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. Our base solution was minus 1. So I can write three values of t equal to negative 1 base solution and then negative 1 from here and 2. Now we have to write only the ordered pairs x, y, z combos. So I can write x, y, z, the ordered triplet. I will write here minus 1, 2. Then I will write minus 1, 2, minus 1. Then we can write 2, minus 1, minus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.